We're on to some weather news now. Dense fog enveloped several parts of North India, significantly reducing visibility and disrupting normal movement across key areas. The Indian Meteorological Department has forecast a generally cloudy sky over Delhi NCR on Thursday, with a possibility of very light to light rain at isolated locations. Meteorologists have also cautioned that moderate fog is likely at many places, while dense fog could occur at isolated spots during the morning hours. As per IMD, chill will persist in some Himalayan districts for the next week, with chances of light rain or snow in higher reaches of Darjeeling. Dense to moderate fog is also likely across West Bengal in the coming days. A weak western disturbance is affecting Jammu and Kashmir, bringing light rain and snowfall to parts of North Kashmir also. And for more on the weather, we have Rachna Marma from Shimla with us. Well, Rachna, how are the weather conditions in Shimla today, and are there any forecast advisory for the tourists today being the first day of the new year?
Very good morning to all our viewers and a very happy new year. When it comes to the weather conditions, the Himachal Pradesh is experiencing very chilly morning Thursday this night, as the temperature is below than 10 degrees Celsius. Right now in the capital Shimla, and it is around 7 degrees Celsius. Though this is a very prolonged dry spell, and weather department has predicted light to moderate rainfall in the coming week. Yesterday we have experienced few parts of Himachal Pradesh has experienced snowfall and a light rainfall. Though this is not up to the very as per the winter's season, January is considered to be quite a heavy rainfall, but this time winters has been already delayed, and yet the weather department is still predicting that in a coming week we might have experienced light to moderate rain. Though this is a very fulfilling month and a very fulfilling time for the tourists people and local people also, because Himachal has been seen a great footfall when it comes to the tourism.
All right. Thank you so much, Rachna, for all those details from Shimla.